besties, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share this crafty Happy Mail that I'm sending out. So I wanted to package the items I made in a unique way. So what I made was this little book, and I used double-sided paper to construct the book. I added chipboard and some flowers to the front and a couple of ephemeras. I stitched around the borders of the book. So when you open it, I think it just looks so bright and fun. So I used stamps from Lawn Fawn and I paired it with, I believe these are ephemera from Simple Stories. So here I created a photo mini book, and I used this new sticker from the Not Too Shabby shop along with their paper collection. I really like this card. I used a variety of stamps to create it. This is a stamp from the greeting farm, and for her Vietnamese dress, I used pattern paper and I just adhered it to the front. And these stamps, the blossom and the crane, are from Hero Arts. So here I created this little notebook booklet. And I added a scene of these really cute pandas. They're sitting in front of a bamboo forest with a nice bright sun. And here's a sentiment from Lawn Fawn, and I just layered a couple of pieces of paper. And it's a nice chunky notebook. I hope what I made inspires you. I'll see you in the next video.